Hey, what's going on guys? In my previous video I have shown you guys how to create a radio button and also checkboxes, how to create radio boxes and radio buttons and checkboxes. Okay, in this video we are going to see another thing called drop down list. What is drop down list is basically, let's say you want to select something. Like before we had like 4 food options, we select one by one, but drop down list is when you click this one, it will show a bunch of options up to down. I will show you what is that. Okay, let's go ahead and click let's go ahead and create that one. To do that, I'm gonna first, let's create a question. Let's say, what do you want to do today? What do you want to do today? This is my question, and I'm gonna create a bunch of activities. To do that, I create something called select, and I close this one with \select, and then inside of this select we are gonna type activities. Okay, now let's go ahead and put a bunch of activities. First I'm gonna put option value, and I'm gonna say, let's give a name play, and then close this one, and we are gonna put something like, let's say play the guitar, and close this one with \option. We are gonna do the same thing for every option we are gonna put. So I copy this one and paste it multiple times. Okay, now let's go ahead and create some activities. Play the guitar is my first activities. Play video game, watch YouTube, take a bath, watch a movie, and then what else we can put? Go to gym. Okay, these are a bunch of activities I created. Now we have to also change the option value to different names. First name is play. Let's put some different name, A, B, C, D, O, E, D. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now when I refresh, you can see what do you want to do today, and play the guitar. That's my first option. And when you click this one, you can see we have a bunch of options. That's what I'm talking about. That's what drop down list is. Now you can select whichever the one you want, and that you don't have to worry about the length. It by default choose the longest length you created. Let's say I'm creating like something really big. Let's say type okay, play the guitar and go outside and have fun. Okay, now when I refresh, you can see that's the longest one automatically becomes the default, so you don't have to worry about the length. That's all I want to teach this in this tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you guys later, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you guys later.